Select the aluminum lamp groove with the desired size. Stick the lamp strip to the bottom of the groove with adhesive. Insert the lampshade from the side. Then buckle it with the DuPont crystal head. And the lamp strip of this lamp can be cut according to your own needs. And cut as desired. The illumination is still even, with no dark areas. The specific installation method is: first, find the board where the lamp is to be installed. Excavate the embedded lamp groove and wire groove. First clamp the stainless steel clip into the bottom of the aluminum. Then insert the light fixture into the lamp slot and insert the lampshade on the side. You can choose different lighting angles. Then insert the DuPont crystal head. Turn the wires into the wire slot. Follow the wire slot and drill corresponding holes on the backboard. Then put the DuPont wires into the drilled holes. Reinstall the board. Reconnect the DuPont wires. Route wires to transformer. Connect and plug in the power supply. The lights should be used together with the main control switch. For example, a touch switch can be used to turn the lights on by a light touch. And turn off slowly by a light touch again.